Hello guys, welcome to see this to Naira Arbitrage. If this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified once we drop valuable content like this. Now, this video is actually to show you how you can make money arbitraging cedis and Naira. Now, let me show you something on my screen. Let me show you something on my screen. If you take a look at this, you discover that 100 Ghana cedis is equivalent to about 454.23. And let me calculate 50 Ghana cedis and show you a secret. This is 50, and here you are seeing 2077.12 naira. How can you arbitrage this and you make money? I've been doing it and I'm about to show you how it's been done. Now, last week I received a payment for someone of okay, I received a payment for a training, and the person was to send 50 Ghana cedis, of which on a normal note 50 Ghana cedis was supposed to be the equivalent of 2,000 naira, which is 2,100 approximately, or 2,000 some naira here, as you can see. But then my agent actually sent me 3,000 naira. Now, this is the global exchange rate and is different from what some agents are giving. And this very method doesn't work when it's going back to Ghana. When it's going back from Nigeria to Ghana, there is this tendency that you may even lose the value. Take for instance, if I'm to send 50 Ghana cedis from Nigeria to Ghana, I may pay like 3,500, or I may pay that same 3,000 or more, depending on the agent rate. So this is more like black market. So now how do you then arbitrage? Get access to one of their agents, or get access to someone who is already in Ghana that can assist you in getting funds over. And you can decide to run your training to places like Ghana, or you can decide to be helping people to receive funds like I do. So now, there was a time someone sent 600 Ghana cedis. They sent 600 Ghana cedis, and I think then the rate was very cool or something of that nature. I was to receive 600 Ghana cedis, but the equivalent I received was more than what the person was expecting. So this very person came to me and met me. I was like, hello, I need your assistance. I want to receive money from Ghana. Please, can you help me to receive this? I said, okay, how much is it? The person told me so number of cedis. I was like, okay, what is the exchange rate? The person gave me their exchange of 50 something thousand. And when I verified on Google, I discovered it was a bit closer to what the person wanted. I was like, cool. So when I contacted my agent, okay, I want to receive such amount of money. This is it. They sent to him. After he takes his charge, he sent me my money, and I was able to make 14,000 naira from that transaction. That was clear arbitraging. And I give out this total sum of money to this very person. Now, if you are receiving 2,000 from Ghana, I'm giving you that 2,000, but I'm making my money without charging you. I can decide to charge you more, but since I'm making my money, I don't need to charge. That's what I've been doing. I've been making money from this, and I trust God that is going to also be productive to you if you consider this as something that, yes, no, it is one thing to have something that pays you, and it's another thing to have this consistent something that pays you. Yeah, this is something that I don't advertise it. People already know me. They chat me for assistance, and I get to help them on it. So I keep arbitraging from this. If it is 200 naira, if it's 300 naira, so far the money lands on my bank account, I send you the expected amount of money. So if you are a content creator, you are an advertiser, you are someone that is making money from your skills online, you can decide to target places like Ghana. Their currency rate is very high. Like the rate, their currency is worth more than Naira. So if you are getting 100 Ghana cedis, let's say you are getting 100 Ghana cedis, you are having about, this is 100 Ghana cedis, you're having about 4,154 naira. And on a normal note, this is supposed to be 100 naira, which is not, which is not. So imagine someone who is giving you 100 Ghana cedis, and to you it's 4,000 something that you're receiving. And if I am to help you to receive this, my agent may pay me 5,000, or may pay me 6,000 or 5,000 something. And I can make 1,000, 1,500 from the transaction that will not take me hours to execute. I'm actually acting as the middleman between the sender and the receiver, and I still make my money. while my agent makes his money and you make your money. So you can consider see this arbitraging as a good business model, and you do the same thing I do. If you want to get access to my agent and you can that can give you what I'm making reference to, that at least your the CDs or the rate to be higher different from what you are seeing on the global this thing, you can let me know, drop the comment, or if you can get my WhatsApp line, hit the link or click on my WhatsApp number and you get access directly to my WhatsApp and I give you access to my agent. So guys, I hope you find this video valuable. You can give me a thumbs up, give me a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time. Hit the notification bell so that once I drop valuable content like this, you will be among those persons that will find it consumable. So thank you guys.